Welcome back to As It Dey Hot. Ezuku Chukwudi Anunku be there inside studio. And what we dey discuss now the condition of the roads inside the southeastern part of Nigeria. Oga Timothy don't call us from Ikorodu, talk in mind. Pastor Samuel from Delta don't add another one, say for Delta, the roads then get their own K-leg. We see they collect calls, and we'll collect this one from Oga Prince, all the way from Owerri. Oga Prince, good morning.
Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning,
Oga Prince.
Uncle, how are you there now?
Would they fine? Would they fine?
I really the voice of the people this morning, my dear brother. You see, 4 months or 5 months that this present government have not do anything. The 4 months when this present government never do anything. It don't help us know, say, thing where the other government live for us, not Jaguda. I think we no get value. I think we no get meaning. Do you understand me?
Will they hear you?
This present government just follow up immediately. Bring minister, put them immediately. They began to work immediately. We for no discover, say the other past government, thing where they live for us, now useless thing. You understand me? So this 4 months where this present government no do anything, help us. We discover the thing where they live for us, now nothing. You see me? Sometimes when breeze they blow, now that's how you go know, say Reverend Father, they put on trouser. May breeze no blow. You know, say Reverend Father put on what? Trouser. So I really say that, you see, when we talk to say this last administration, our president, Jonathan government, they're corrupt. Now him be the worst corrupt president Nigeria ever produced. Not be so we just expect one talk. And you understand me? The whole south is here in Imo State. The only good road where we get that this road, for where it's on this road, where Obasanjo built for us. That's why they heard that man. So when they called the man, saying be this, and they tell us that him be the best government where we don't benefit from. You understand me? Look, you cannot drive from here to Port Harcourt. It's a danger zone. Then I make it try to construct from Port Harcourt, Bandro, Imo State to River State, construct it. That's the problem you have with federal government. Refund me the money. I took what they say, Peter, Louis Obiano say, refund me the money which I used to construct their road. The federal government refused. That's the problem I make it have with Jonathan. I make it a bad man because of he did something wonderful that nobody can do. That's why he's a bad man today. But the one from Imo State cannot be able to do it because of their financial power. You know, that will remain like that. So what we are saying that let President Jonathan bring out the money. When make we take and consult the whole road where they start it. Because he deceive us. We take them as our own person, our own brother. But he really deceive us and disappoint us. The reason I think that zoning presidency or zoning governorship is that when you turn to your own side, you do your paperwork, do the mansion, construct all roads in your place. So when the other person gets, go do his own side very well. But it's very unfortunate when we get a president who's saying from India, our brother, then they ask us to say our brother. He end up only to deceive us.
Oga Prince.
At the end of the day, we have nothing.
Thank you very, very much for that contribution. Yes, you don't talk your own mind. But in as much as we they say, yes, everybody get license to talk. Moko also talk, say, Nigeria no be one major person, say, no be, the fact say they come from one particular region, to come lead us, no me say, everything about attention, so you could just channel the whole thing to that particular region. Now, waiting, it don't become national issue. It don't become father of the nation. And the responsibility of the nation, they your hand. Not to just say one favor a particular region, pass one region. Government don't know they work like that. We got Oga Benjamin. Oga Benjamin, they call us from Calabar. Good morning, Benjamin.
Good morning, Kubi.
Yeah.
And good morning, Chukwudi.
Oga Benjamin, would they greet you?
My own contribution be say, this road issue, I'm a tanker driver. I'm one of the road users in Nigeria.
Okay.
I don't see this road issue like what
Oga Benjamin.
they enter position.
Okay.
When time reach, they will say they won't give us light, they won't give us road, then we will vote them. When they come, they no go do anything. That side owner they talk so no be problem. Come cross River State to Akwa Ibom. If they take people
yes, you're right.
Akwa Ibom. Tankers they fall, trucks they fall, and the thing where the very pass is say now for this cross River State they carry stones. Where we get stones, but yet government they do anything for our road. So the thing don't tire me. Me say I don't know what to do again for this road issue. We dey suffer here for cross River State for road just to go Akwa Ibom. See okay from Akwa Ibom to Umuahia, Akwa Ibom to Abia State.
Yeah, that's another bad road. You're right.
So So the thing don't tire me. I thank you now for this issue una carry come today.
Yes,
so God
thank
will
you
bless
too.
I wish the government go listen to us.
Yeah.
Do this thing for us.
Oga Benjamin, thank you very, very much
you
for
very,
this
very
important
much.
contribution where you don't drop.
Wetin
You dey very,
Benjamin?
very clear with what he don't state.
Yes.
He don't talk and say, even for Calabar, that Cross River State,
No,
say they take them like 2 days to get into the neighboring states. Now, this one they very, very clear. Say, the federal roads, not be just for the southeast now, because from the information we don't get, for Cross River and Akwa Ibom, when he mentioned the south-south, Delta, when Pastor Samuel talk about the south-south. So this one, they evidence say, our federal roads they in a terrible state. And if we go by the example of waiting Willie Obiano of Anambra State don't give when he talk say they don't spend about 25 billion naira to use help the federal government
And they
repair their
never
roads.
get payback.
The condition they very, very critical.
Anyway, before I go talk with now on talk, make we do it. Make we collect this call from Oga Polycarp. Oga Polycarp, all the way from Enugu. Good morning.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Poly.
Good morning, Kobe.
Good morning, sir.
Kobe, you are smiling because that man called the prince, calling from Owerri, has been criticizing the government of Jonathan. Well, Jonathan did his own best because he cannot be everywhere. He assigned the ministers and other people to do the work. And maybe some of them messed the things up. Whatever happens, there is a lot of work in Nigeria to do. The problem didn't start from Jonathan era. It started from, I call it after the Civil War. But it's unfortunate that nothing has been done reach up here now. Last year, I go one wedding for Umahia. It was terrible when I passed through from Kigwe. From that place up till I reached Umahia, the road was terrible. From trailers, we were even running from one lane to the other lane. Or even block roads, you cannot see where to pass. Even when I entered even Abia State, it's capital itself. All they know is where this man will come out. The former governor come out. They make about the being the change and all this at home here. I couldn't see anything in place. It is only the major road from, because that was the first time I'm going to Omahia. The first road, the main road from that junction up to the government house, and maybe up to Jugu Bunker. Now I can call a very good road. All other roads are just zigzag. Then I'm going to Onitsha from Enugu. It's a nightmare. There was a time where if you want to go Onitsha, within 1 hour, 2 hours, you go and you come back. But now we have to spend more than 4 hours to travel on that road. The express road has been abandoned completely. The only people who want to be road, they pull out the express road. Many people go Lagos or southwest, they pass through 9 miles, pass through the old road, which is repaired up till Amansi. Then left it there for Anambra State to complete. Anambra didn't do much from that place into Anambra State. So it's terrible that the people be zigzagging along this road, which is express road, awarded to contractors. I remember the time where that road was awarded to about 3 companies, CCC, Niger Cat, and then I think RCC. That small road, when we reach up to 100 kilometers, but awarded to 4 contractors, but nothing much has been done on that road up to this moment. It reminds me of what happened along the Lokoja, Abuja road, which was awarded to 4 contractors and during the Abuja administration. Even the time we were supposed to commission the road, that Abuja Lokoja road. They're going to have work on that road until after they have gone before the road was completed. So it's very terrible.
Okay.
One road for Sube, Anambra State, was wanted to an indigene of that town. I don't know his name, but I don't know his name. They said that they go award this contract to this man because he's a native of that town. He never chopped the money. But the man chopped the money and didn't do the work on that road.
Oga Polycarp.
Oga Polycarp, all these example where you don't give,
you don't
plenty.
you don't outline issues and areas where roads really dey very, very bad. The same way some of our callers also talk, like Benjamin will call from Calabar. These are issues we call for concern. I mean, it's a good to say this issue will bring them up, at least for Nigerians, that for our leaders and people where they represent us, maybe they hear. Maybe they also find out, know where they bad, so they will feel present them to the right authorities, the government where they in place, so know what they will do about them. Make we collect this call from Oga Igo. Oga Igo, good morning.
Oga Igo, the network no gree make Oga Igo making contribution. Oga Igo, abeg no vex. We know say you been the hang on for some time. Just try call us back, make you complete this your contribution. From what everybody don't talk, it is very, very evident. Say plenty people hand dey inside this matter. Oga Polycarp talk about the contractor when they give the work because of saying come from that place. Say okay, oh, you come from this place, do the work as per say na there you come from. But because of say monkey and neta inside the arrangement, they say the money they no see am, the work they no see am. Now we must get process when we say government must ensure say the people when they give contract to do the work now people when we say that they eminently qualified to do the work and they suppose set date say okay oh if this thing go take you 4, 5, 6 months 1 year to do by so time just make sure say you handle say okay oh time don reach for us to do this work if we no do am we go deal with this person. We don get plenty abandoned projects and government never do anything about am. Nobody dey inside cell dey answer question, nobody don return any money, roads still dey bad, people dey ply these roads and people dey die. Why? We'll collect this call from Oga Samuel from Delta. Oga Samuel, I hope say you did there. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I did there, and I call just now.
Okay, Pastor Samuel.
Okay, Pastor Samuel, we dey hear you.
I really appreciate you now. This is the first time when I don't call now.
Okay.
And I feel like calling.
I beg, continue.
So what I want to say is I don't talk about road already for Delta State. Now, light issue again, another problem for Delta State. They say people they get light. Me, I never see the light for Delta State too. They share the light. The day when they say they will give us, we not go even get them. So I beg, make them help us. Make them help us, and they say that they fear Buhari, make them come put fear for their minds here, whether they will agree give us light. Light no good, road no good. Nothing you go fit buy, food you no go fit buy. Nothing they work again in Delta State. They want to keep people. Not gonna help me talk to president. Make it come help us for Delta State.
Pastor Samuel, thank you very much for this second contribution when you don't give. Amen.
And you too.
We did not discuss about power before, but we go continue to talk as we don't promise say we must talk until action happen. Oga Igo from Abuja. Oga Igo, good morning, sir.
Igo.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Now God go bless una for this program for us. But the only thing we say, why I never hear, you don't say where Oga Shukudu say, if you say go talk say, now the only television station if you say the key goat, so go take prepare per soup.
No worry, I go talk on tomorrow.
Okay, I tell me the goat don't finish. That's the topic of today. Ukubi and Shukudu, another go Abia State.
Yes.
Abia State, Abia, they don't get governor. I'm telling you. If woman when he get belle, if he travel, go Abia State, he won't pass through Abia, enter Akpabo. The belle go fall.
Yes.
Erosion don't cut the whole road, fall for ground finish. So say, even if you no carry, the only car way see enter Akpabo na jeep enter. To cross Abia State, enter Akpabo, that's your motor go spoil. If they out, na kalo they pour for the road when you go even bust your tire. That they pour inside the maintain road. That state there, our president need to go to that state to see the state of that road. That road is, in fact, the road is collapsed. It's collapsed. You don't have government there. Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much, Oga Igo.
Chukudi,
this thing can also bring us to one another very important issue. We know say yes, annually, then they allocate a particular budget to at least to road construction and works. And the former minister of works that time, that was between 2013 and 2014. That is Oga Mike Onolo Meme. He said something. He talks say, look, say normally say like for 2003. See that 13, they allocate like 141 billion naira for the road. But eventually, say, waiting they can receive, they far beyond that particular sum. It's not 65 billion. Now they collect. But before we go further into this issue, we'll collect this call from Oga Ike. Good morning, Ike from Enugu.
Good morning, Kubu.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Oga Ike, good morning, sir.
You guys are putting up a great show.
Thank you very much, sir.
My contribution is we need to pray to God. See, past administration, before the present, in fact, has neglected the whole, in fact, has disappointed the whole Nigeria. However, we need to pray for the present administration. So, in order to check if they can come to the rescue of Nigerians, all the roads in Southeast, nothing to write home about. Enugu to Onitsha, Enugu to Port Harcourt, name them. So we need to put all hands on desk to check if the present administration can come to the rescue of Southeasterners and other parts of country. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Ike, for that contribution and for also identifying with all these problems, because we know it's a general problem will affect us. Make we go local Jago College this call from Oga Mustafa. Good morning, Oga Mustafa.
Yeah, good morning, Mr. Chukudi Ankudi.
Good morning.
I remain very, very loyal.
We remain loyal too.
Yes, you know, this your topic, Nkubi and Chukudi, you guys are doing a wonderful job.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you very much.
Honestly, Nigerians need to commend you guys for doing this job. Having said that, yesterday I've been trying to make a reach now for that yesterday program, but I could no time. Now, no pick my call. But on the issue, somebody commented from Obiora from Yola. See, Buhari made this country in a critical challenge, and he's trying to make this thing better. So let's put heads together and join heads together and support this man to carry on. A lot of things don't do on ground. Now, coming back to your topic today, seriously, if you see what is happening in the northeastern part of the country, the road, is a very unfortunate situation. And I think me that is talking to you, I've been passing this road for many times. And any time I pass, I will just wonder whether we know Nigerian, we know leaders when they pass this road. Now, how can you leave this road? Things they happen. You cannot, trailers cannot pass. Small petty traders cannot pass. And if you are passing criminals, they take advantage on this road and attack innocent Nigerians. Let me tell you, an Igbo man that you know is a commercial man.
Very true.
A lot of business where they happen for Nigeria, if they come from east, and from east it goes to the north to the southwest. And I want to use this opportunity to tell federal government, please join hands together with the state government. Let's forget about politics. This is the only way we can do. This big men, they carry all of them past me, but they follow through the main road. And this is the only way somebody from Sokoto can reach Enugu, Imo State.
Go they pass, yes.
And this is go there without any challenge. I beg, make federal government, Philip Obiano, the man from Abia State, Enugu, meet President Buhari, let them declare a state of emergency on that road. And not only that one, if you go to Jebba Mokwa Road and other areas from the other north-central part of the country, you feel sorry. And I think let there be a holistic attention from that.
Yes.
Oga Mustafa.
I will tell you something pertaining the last program where we do that yesterday. See, very realistic, I tell you. Jonathan, as a person, you don't do him best. For Nigeria, the remaining politicians, as a person, Jonathan is a very humble man. But the people who surround him, now then deceive him.
Exactly.
Now let's all put our hands together and support President Muhammadu Buhari.
Oga Mustafa, thank you very much for the passion with which you make this your important contribution. If we check his name, check where he come from, we know the part of Nigeria when we say he belong to. But see the passion when you talk about the condition of bad roads, and he don't even draw the North Central enter inside the equation. Quickly, we go rush, enter break. When we come back, we'll begin to look the solutions to these problems and see how our federal government go solve this problem once and for all. No go anywhere and still as it is hot. Welcome back to As It Is Hot. Where we there now? We dey see the final bus stop of the show today. And what we carry come? As usual, we dey carry topic where they come on smoke inside Nigeria come. Get to do with the condition of roads inside the southeastern part of Nigeria. But as we throw our phone lines open, we don't call and say, not be only for southeast our road bad. In fact, na general problem. Yes. And the government must declare state of emergency to ensure say our roads they okay.
Exactly. Chukudi, just after I talked before Mustafa call. Make we also check out the budget issue. 141 billion. Okay, eventually they want to see now how much? Like 60-something billion. Okay, in between when they go down allocate, when they go down assign this money at this amount, in between that period to when they'll come finally give us, waiting they play out. Make we check in between this gap. wetin be that way they chop up the remaining money? I been I just say, okay, you assign a particular money in the end. The money will go give the person who would carry the work, who go do the work, he go come behind that thing.
Very
so where then is the rest of the money? That's why we also need to question them. How you go expect ministers to carry out effective work when money was assigned to the ministry, they don't do it well. Okay, we go talk say contractors, then they do their job. They don't abandon. We should also be asking ourselves, who be the people who assign money to these contractors?
True.
Was the right amount of money assigned to them?
Exactly. Who be the supervisors?
Who the supervisor?
Thank
who the ensure make them at least carry out the work effectively? Because these are questions. We're not going to just blame a particular set of people without also checking deep to find out what is the root problem.
And the funny thing about this issue be say, now only Nigeria, now somebody go carry suitcase, they wake up and they talk say him be contractor. And many of those contractors, when they collect money, they enter place of worship, go do Thanksgiving. Why? Because of say many of them they chop their money and they don't do the work when they're supposed to. Now we know say erosion, and people don't talk say oh natural disaster, but you get the way when we say we fit contain the effect.
Now
when we say the thing no go contain too much, but the problem now say some people just leave and say this thing now office. Because every year we go just tell the government say gully erosion don't come again, they go drop money. Gully erosion don't come again, they go drop money. But as we don't get one government now, we don't look and we side eye say this issue is very very serious. We must solve this problem. Now it be say everybody when they involved, from contractor, from supervisor, from the person when sign the paper, from the person when supposed they on site,
so the
workers,
people they even carry out
everybody
the
must
work.
be responsible.
Exactly.
And then again, our people when they for house. This is not time for us to collect back Nigeria. How we go take collect back our country? By opening our mouth and talking the way when the team be. As the odds don't provide avenue for people to talk their mouth. Oga Mustafa call us from Lokoja. He mention places. Oga Obiora all the way from Yola. Call places for in community where he come from. Where we say road bad. Pastor Samuel even called refinery. Refinery get address. We go find out all this place. All these things as we continue to the see them, we'll continue to the talk. So that our government will take action. Because this country belongs to all of us. I don't even vex before I take
relax. You know, just take them easy before you go vex. Maybe we'll collect this call from John. At least I'm not going to make John meeting for this kind of condition. Good morning, John.
Good morning. Good morning.
Oga John, we greet you.
My brother, as me say I no call today, I'm not happy at all.
I bet no verse. Thank you, say yeah.
Because I don't say what they call, they no want to pick my call.
No verse.
Waiting now, as in God, the day one I go anything, any of them go come on here, and heaven, two of them they go straight.
Now me go come out first.
I don't even go to heaven finish.
How you do go heaven?
This topic, what I bring out today, my brother. I really Calabar they speak. You get language, they say I keep touching on Friday. On Friday when I go Aba, around 4 o'clock, my director called me that I should go to Aba to go to deliver a message. My brother, I trekked for more than 2 hours before I get to where they go. Aba will be saying because I did Imo say we didn't be saying nowadays. About the transport fare from Aba to where they now 100 now they ride out. Before you come off for Aba, what you collect for you now 1,000 something, 1,005.
Hi. I want to say waiting. I want to say bad road. I've been waiting.
I want to say bad road. From Umaya, from Aba to Umaya, that day was 1,000 naira. Umaya where they run 300 naira. Because of bad road. So some of all these our drivers don't use them as an opportunity. My brother, if you come Abia State, Abia is the worst state so far in Nigeria. Because me, I love traveling. I don't go Akwa Ibom State. Why are they disturbing the former governor of Akwa Ibom State? Because that state, there's nothing you want to complain concerning that state. Everywhere road day. You they go toilet to road day. Everywhere for that side road day. But once you don't cross Akwa Ibom State, they go Calabar, you two side. That was the worst road so far. When I talk of my own, last week, sorry, man, no cut national. Last week, it's that topic one I talk concerning power. My brother, I'm from Delta State, and your child not precise. My village, my own hometown, it's more than 8 years now. They never know where. 8 years.
Oga John, thank you very much for this contribution where you don't make. You don't drop the thing, don't even go back. Nkubi, we go continue to talk this matter of power and road and more health still they come.
A lot of things.
Health still they come. Housing still they come.
Wait till we go talk about plenty.
Every government, local, state, chairman, governor, president, they must do something. They go hear them. Our people went there for house. Now we always talk and say Nigeria and our country, it no go spoil. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come out smoke to talk the way when it be us for body. Believe me, say those when the matter concerned, they go take necessary action to move our country forward. Una bye bye.
Una bye bye. Chukudi. In fact, I did happy say your body later come down.
No, I don't see. I mean the verse.
No, it is good. It is good for your health. And that heaven, of course, we will go there. We will go to heaven together. Don't worry.
But now me go first.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.